6:14 here on News 3 this morning. Now an update to a News 3 investigation. Families torn apart by fentanyl. It's something that we've been covering for months, if not longer. Health officials in North Carolina along the Outer Banks now giving out tools for people to protect themselves. News 3 investigator Zach Dahlheimer in the community this morning spotlighting a specific tool that's gotten mixed reaction across the country.
We are going to head out to a local convenience store called TJ's.
Inside each of Jesse Ruby's boxes are tools that could save lives. Ruby is a peer support specialist with Dare County Health and Human Services. On this Wednesday afternoon, he's taking the tools here, TJ's Gas and Grill in Kill Devil Hills.
We bought some fentanyl test strips. We also brought some lock boxes.
Missions like this, he says, are personal.
I myself have lived through a substance use disorder. I know what it's like at times to not be understood or stigmatized.
Ruby has taken many trips to this store and other spots in the county, giving out items including fentanyl test kits. Inside each kit are fentanyl test strips, as well as test strips for another illicit drug on the rise, the animal tranquilizer xylazine, and info on recovery services. So how do fentanyl test strips work?
This test strip you would add to water that has your substance in it, and you let that sit in the water for 15 seconds, and within 5 minutes you will know if the substance you are using or testing has fentanyl in it.
It's a welcomed resource among residents like Cindy Swoop.
I mean, it's been wonderful for the community. I mean, it's saving lives. People talk about it. People come up here and ask for it.
In a county where local health officials say fentanyl was linked to 82% of deadly drug overdoses in 2021.
Just knowing that there could be, children that are growing up without a mother and father, or, parents, growing up, going through life without their children, because, they're dying from this stuff. It hurts.
We immediately said, we have to get these, we have to get them out. That was the tool that we could use to help people, where they could find out what was in their drugs.
If you're using a drug and you're not testing it, you're definitely playing a game of Russian roulette with your life.
Outside of Dare County, reports show fentanyl test strips have had mixed reactions. According to the think tank, the Cato Institute, some states have banned the strips, adding that in some cases, they're considered drug paraphernalia. However, a report from Axios shows governors in many states have signed legislation legalizing the strips since January of last year. Also, agencies including the CDC, FDA, and DEA have said they support fentanyl test strips.
If there's fentanyl test strips that can help mitigate or raise a level of awareness where an individual knows that it may or may not have fentanyl, I think is a good thing.
Fentanyl test strips are legal in both North Carolina and Virginia. I reached out to Virginia Attorney General Jason Miyares, who told me in part in a statement, quote, "While I highly discourage any experimentation with recreational drugs, fentanyl strips have undeniably saved precious Virginia lives." Back in Dare County, Ruby says he and others are seeing positive results from resources.
A grandfather was able to provide naloxone to his granddaughter that was in a fentanyl overdose, or people were able to test their drug supply and find out that there was fentanyl in it.
Now, besides these test kits, Dare County health officials are going big this summer in the fight against fentanyl, getting the word out through billboards like this.
We just have to keep on chipping away at it and working at it.
Ballinger says this issue also hits home after her son David died from fentanyl poisoning in Hampton Roads last year.
He knew he had a drug issue, and he was willing to take the chance because of his overwhelming addiction.
It's one of many reasons why she, Ruby, and others will continue hitting the streets, hoping to help save lives one kid at a time.
My goal is to have compassion and just walk with them through that, whatever they are going through.
On the Outer Banks, Zach Dahlheimer, News 3.